Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Are you craving for restaurant style chicken fried rice but without any artificial color? Let's make it simple, healthy and super tasty at home. First, you need to heat a pan and add some oil. Now add chopped green chili, carrot and beans. If you like, you can also add cabbage for a taste and saute everything well until vegetables are cooked. Next, add sliced onion and fry. Add a pinch of turmeric powder, salt for a taste. Mix well until they turn into golden brown. Once you fried well, now add ginger garlic paste and cook until that raw smell disappear. Crack one egg into pan and scramble it nicely with the veggies. Fry it very well until that scramble it nicely with all the veggies. After that add cooked rice and mix everything gently. After that add chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala and add a little chicken masala. If you want, you can also add pepper powder. Mix everything well so the rice get coated with all the flavors. Add soya sauce. Here have added 2 cups of soya sauce and after that I have added chili sauce and mix again. Now add small pieces of cooked chicken kebab and combine well. Now finally add fresh coriander leaves and squeeze some lemon juice for a taste and mix it very well. And that's all. Your simple, delicious and chicken fried rice is ready. Thank you for watching.